What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about the 6 trades that I took live across 6 prop firm accounts. All of them were profitable, and I'm going to show you exactly how I knew at 9:28 in the morning that the market was going to go down, take profit at the 730. This is why I sold in every single one of my accounts, and I made money on all of my accounts. Now, I'm not choosing the best trades. I'm not only picking my profitable trades. As you can see from this video, I trade live with all of my members, over 200 people in the CoinCoCap community, and as you can see, these are all of my trades. So the screenshots that you see here are from my live trades. Now, it's very easy when you watch a bunch of YouTube videos or Instagram videos with a guru online talking about his trading system with the graph done. I want to see people doing exactly what I do over here, trading live and showing you exactly the thought process when taking the trades, which, by the way, leads me to show you right here in the testimonials tab that across maybe 50,000 different traders trying out Phidias prop firm, I am the #1 with the most payouts just on this prop firm. So what I'm going to show you in this video is exactly my method on how I get these weekly payouts. That being said, let's go back to Canva and let's get started with the video. Now, as you can see over here, right before the opening, I started building a short position on 2 of my prop firm accounts. This is Phidias, and then this is another prop firm on Tradeovate. I entered short right before the opening for a couple reasons. Reason number 1, let's look at the QQQ delta hedging. So as you can see right here, the price was having a very difficult time to break the 733, which was a wall, along with having a lot of take profit over here. As you guys know, striking bell, which is one of our tools, it gives us the opening trade with over 80% win rates. Whenever you have the first positive delta hedging calling the price like this, we're most likely gonna go down at the opening, take profit down here, and then take the target above if we don't break the 730. So we knew before the market opened that we were most likely going to open at around the 733 or a little bit below, take profit at the 730. So all of the trades that I took over here were with the purpose to go down to the 730, and my plan B was actually leveraging at the 735, because as you can see right here, we have this huge positive delta hedging bar, which was most likely going to become a type of resistance. We were very likely to go all the way to the 735, not break that level, and come down. Beginning of the day, the plan was selling towards the 730 and leveraging on the 735. And that's what I did for my 2 accounts. As you can see over here, I started building a position at 920 on this one. In deep charts, I started building a position at around 925-ish. Let's see how it played out. Boom, took profit for my first account. I made around $300. Account number 2, I'm still holding the trade. Let's see how the trade is going to play out. And eventually, boom, took profit right here. How much did I make on account number 2? $243. And the next thing that I saw was us breaking the 778 on SPY, which is this huge negative delta hedging bar, meaning that if we break this level right here and we stay below, the market now gets on setup number 2, which is a bearish setup. The market is gonna go down. So what I did next is I entered a short once again. Let's see how that played out. And eventually I took profit right here. As you guys can see from the video, I also entered on a short on another deep charts account. So up until this point, I've been trading for around 33 minutes and I've made profit on accounts number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I still have a bearish sentiment of the market, so I will still keep entering short trades. And that is exactly what I did for accounts number 5 and accounts number 6. Enter short, took profit, enter short, took profit. Now, you're probably saying, well, $233 is not that much money, but I'm entering short with 3 micro contracts. That's almost a 50-point movement on NQ. That is a huge movement. I held that trade all the way until my target. Trading is very easy once you have a target and once you have a plan B. The most important part about my strategy is using CoinCoCap to identify where is my target and where's my plan B so that I can enter towards the target. And it doesn't matter if I'm this close to the target, this close to the target, or this close to the target. As long as I can see room for my trade to go towards the target, I am entering towards the target, towards the market sentiment. So if you want to learn the safest system, the best account rotation system for prop firms, how how to get your payouts every single week, exactly like I'm doing. Again, click the link below and let's get started.